Assalamu alaikum fashion lovers. It's good to have you back on Exclusive Modest and hope you're doing good and hope you're staying safe. Today, I'll be taking you through some lovely and amazing instant hijab from different designers around the world. And this particular style, they are very simple and easy to make. And on this YouTube channel, if you're just joining for the first time, we usually bring you a particular section where we'll be teaching you on how to make different and lovely hijab, jalbab, bukkah, and so many more styles that we've done on this YouTube channel. That is why you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we'll be bringing you back to back different and modest outfits. So make sure you leave your comments and make sure you give this collection a thumbs up. And for those that have already subscribed, I really want to appreciate you all for always tuning in on our YouTube channel. Expect more lovely and amazing video on this particular YouTube channel. So make sure you watch all this collection to the end. I hope you've seen one lovely instant hijab that you want to add to your wardrobe. You can see they are very easy and beautiful. Some of them are scarf that you can just use as instant hijab. So we'll be bringing you more lovely and interesting tutorial on how to make some of this hijab, and we've made over 50 video on how to cut and sew instant hijab, jalbab, and so many more videos that we've done. That's why you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you are just joining for the first time, because there are more videos on the way. And for those that have already subscribed, I'll be glad if you will join me in our next episode. So have a lovely and wonderful time. Assalamu alaikum.